finding an output of a function from its graph. The graph of a function g is shown below. Find g of 0. Now remember, we know that the function g is g of x. Okay, so here we have a 0 in the x spot, which means it's in the parentheses, so it's our input. Okay, so our input is x because they took out the x and replaced it with a 0. So I'm going to go to my x-axis and I'm going to go to 0. And then on that line where x equals 0, I'm going to go down and find my point on my graph. So right here is where x equals 0. Okay, so this point is 0, comma, -1. So there's the x equals 0, and here's my output. So g of 0, when I put 0 in for x, out comes a -1. That would be my answer right there.